guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Divisha Agrawal and welcome to another haul. I know I've been doing a lot of hauls lately, but because मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही शॉप कर रही हूँ, like मैं पूरे साल इतना ज़्यादा शॉप नहीं करती, लेकिन somehow मेरी बर्थडे के आसपास ऐसा होता है कि I end up shopping a lot. I don't know if it happens with you too, लेकिन मेरे साथ तो होता है. I shop the most from H&M, so I have all of these clothes and I have some accessories that I wanna show you guys, so that if you are interested, you can definitely go ahead and buy these products because I think they are still available, and I'll link all of them in the description box or on the video, so you can definitely check them out. So let's get into the video. First up, we have one of my favorite items from the entire haul. Also say hi to my new hair because I think it looks very cute. Plus it's so low maintenance, like I washed them today and there's no frizz, there's no dry ends and all of that, so I'm really happy with how my hair looks, touch wood. Coming back to the haul, so I have these denims. So these are high rise flared denims, and bootcut jeans, flared jeans are back in fashion. Like it used to be so in when I was growing up, and it's so back in fashion, and that's why I had to get my hands on one of these. Plus this color is so fresh. Like I have nothing in this color, so I just bought this one. This denim fits like a dream. I mean, perfect is the word. Like I love how this looks on me and how confident and good I feel about myself when I put these on. Plus there's so many different ways to style this denim. Like you can wear it with a crop top, a dressy top, just wear it with shoes, boots, heels, everything and anything. Also the length is really perfect on me, but if you are, you know, a little bit shorter than me, then this might be a little too long for you, but you can always get it altered, so that's one thing to keep in mind. Next up, we have something that is pretty unusual. Like I don't wear something like this every day. Like I don't have anything like this in my closet, and maybe that's the reason I got it for myself. So it's a see-through netty sort of a top, and it's great for like parties and events that I go to. I just wanted something dressy, and plus black is a color that never really goes out of style. There's so many different ways to style this one. I've still not gotten the tags off. Plus I love how it fits me and suits my body type. Like it's full sleeved, so it looks very sexy and sophisticated at the same time, and again, like it's great for layering on your bralettes or tank tops or just spaghetti tops and stuff like that. If you're looking for something dressy, then definitely check this out. I think they have another color in this one, so yeah, black is just a safer choice. Next up, we have a bag. I am currently obsessed with the collection that H&M is launching when it comes to like bags, handbags. Like they have such a great variety of tote bags, sling bags, handbags and shoulder bags and all of that. So I was spoiled for choices, and I finally picked this one because it's a more neutral color. It goes with many different outfits. Plus I am always on the hunt for like spacious sling bags. Plus the size, I loved how perfect this size is. It's not too big, it's not too small, it fits everything that's essential for me whenever I'm heading out. Next up, we have something that I was looking for the longest time. So I was looking for a white skirt from the longest time, and I checked so many brands. Nothing really, you know, appealed to me for some reason. Either it was too expensive, or either it was, you know, the material was not good, the quality was not great. Then I came across this one and I really loved it. I love the button detailing over here. Plus it's very comfortable, and it's the right kind of white. Like it's not too white, it's a little off-white, which is perfect for like styling purposes. I feel like it is an extremely versatile piece, and I've been styling it left, right, center since I got it. Like if you follow me on Instagram, you have seen me wear this a couple times easily already, and it's a little bit see-through because it's a very light color, but you can definitely make it work using you know, cycling shorts underneath. It works pretty well. Next up, we have another party wear top. So you know, I am a basic girl and I don't have anything that's a little fancy or party wear in my closet. That's why this time I was like, no, I'm going to shop mindfully and get myself a couple of pieces that is appropriate for a party like event. So I got this really glittery sort of black colored turtleneck full sleeve top, and it's great to like style with all your skirts, shorts, and you know, even trousers for that matter. It will look super chic and sophisticated. I have already worn it once to an event and I loved how it looked on me. This is something you should get if you are looking for something a little blingy in your closet, because blinky is also important. Next up, we have another handbag. As you know that I was on hunt for like good handbags, and this is when I found this one. So I did not have like a good everyday sort of a black bag, and that's why I think this is perfect because it's gold detailing, which is great, goes with almost everything. It's pretty roomy and spacious. Like you can see, I can fit a lot of stuff in here, and it comes with like this belt as well, which you can attach or detach as per your convenience or as per your usage. So I can convert this into a sling as well whenever I want, or else I can just carry it just like that on my dresses and stuff. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good buy, and the price point is pretty chill in H&M, so you can definitely check it out for handbags and stuff. They have pretty good collection. Next up, I have another skirt. So this one is a white skater skirt. Now I was looking for a basic white skater skirt from a very long time, and I found this. It was at a great price, like it was under 500 rupees, which was a steal deal. So I just had to get this one again because it's very versatile. It looks pretty cute even on holidays, even while you're going for brunch or lunch or just a date or something like that. Like it is very versatile. So yeah, I think it gives a very sophisticated kind of a look while also looking pretty cute. So that's a good combination to have, and that's why I got it. So if you're in college, or if you are not in college but you want to get something cute, then definitely check this out. Next, we have another top. So this is a top that I wore on my birthday eve. It's a very nice dusty pink color. I have nothing in this color, and that's why I got this color. And it has this bubble hem bottom, which is pretty trendy on Pinterest and everywhere right now. So I thought of giving it a shot because why not? Like, sometimes jumping on cute trends is nice. They have this one in color white as well, if I'm not wrong. So definitely check this out. It's great for like, casual outings, and it looks very cute when you style it with like denims or just cargos or something of that sort. If you have seen my birthday vlog, then you know what I wore for my birthday. I wore this dress. It's a very nice color. Like I love this color. I love how cute this dress looked and everything about it. I don't have it on me right now because मैंने alteration के लिए उसको tailor के पास में दिया है because it was a bit loose on me. If you're looking for like a nice day dress or a short dress, then definitely check this out. I think they have a color white in this one. Next item is a bit unusual. I got these flats from H&M. Now I usually don't shop for footwear from H&M because I think footwear should be bought from footwear specific brands only, not from a clothing brand like H&M. But I really love these because of the silver detailing that's going on. Plus these kind of Mary Janes are so much in trend right now. Like I have seen them all over my Instagram, Pinterest, everywhere. So I had to try them for myself, and I think they look very cute, like with dresses or with jeans or with anything for that matter. Plus it's black in color, so yeah, it's very versatile, and I can't wait to style them. These are brand new and I can't really wait to wear them outside. Last but not the least, we have another pair of denims. These are straight fit high waist denims. You all know that I love straight fit denims on my body type because I think it looks the most flattering. It's perfect. Like it's not too wide or it's not too skinny. It's just somewhere in the middle, which is a sweet spot for me. So these are a little bit unusual. I'll tell you why. Because it has got this pattern at the bottom, and I think it's not very usual. Like I have everything very basic when it comes to jeans, but this was pretty unusual in my closet, so I thought ki let's just give it a shot and see how it looks on me. And I think it looks pretty chic and Gen Z coded, I think. So yeah, I love the color, I love the comfort, I love the fit, and I love the fact that it has some detailing that's going on, which is not so usual or not so common. I wear size 34 and they have multiple colors available in this particular variant, so I'll link it for you guys in case you're looking for a good pair of straight fit denims. Then definitely do check these out because I am in love. Let me know which one was your favorite product out of all of these items. I would love to know in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, all those good things, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.